Hi, I'm Sani from management team of Pusat Pakaian Hari-Hari. At management level, we always look at profitability, revenue, cost, efficiency and productivity. One of the departments that we look at is warehouse, where we think that the cost can be further reduced and the efficiency further improved. For that, we reach out to TTF for further consultation. A boltless rack and fully powered stacker. Oh, they are very responsive. When I reach out to TTF, they immediately send over the sales team, which is Johnny. Johnny walked around our warehouse and understanding our warehouse system, and after that, he proposed a product and solution called fully powered stacker. Previously, we were using manual labor to handle our stocks. With this fully powered stacker, it reduces dependency on manual labor, saves us a lot of cost, saves us a lot of time, and now everything is not manual anymore. Oh, they are highly recommended. Their system is very responsive, experienced, and will give you professional solution for your warehouse and material handling equipment.